Hi guys, today I will explain how to send Solana to Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the Trust Wallet application, once it will be open. So let me scroll down, and this one is my crypto list. In order to any send or receive crypto, you have to add that in your list. And for adding crypto, scroll down to the last and tap on the option Manage Crypto. And here in the search bar you have to enter Solana. On the top you can see the desired crypto. Click on this and turn it on. Now it's turn on. Go back from here. Now, in this list, I need to find Solana. And it's here, so need to click on it. Like we want to send, so that's why I will click on this option Send. And here, I need to enter the address of the person to which I want to send Solana. And here are a few more ways by which you can send. You can add that contact in your address by clicking on this option. And here click on the option Add Contact. And here enter the wallet name of that person to which you want to send Solana. Once you will do, then that address book will be filled by that person. This one is by scanning QR code. Click on it and scan the QR code, then you can send Solana. This one is the amount, and this one is memo. So fill this by yourself. Once you fill everything, click on the option Next, and confirm your transaction in Next Step. And it was the way by which you can do it easy.